Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Points. And here you can see I am in Google Play Points page, and I have a good news. Here you can see I got a new app installing task, and I will get 5 points when I will install this Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, and it is showing ends 31st January. Okay, now let's just collect the points. And here you can see just tap on the install and then tap on the cancel, and you will get your points immediately. Okay. Now here you can see I have now 46 points. I just got 5 points by installing this Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, so after watching this video, go to your Google Play Points page and check you got this or not. And if you got this, please let me know in the comment section below. One important thing before ending this video, if you go to Google Play Store web, you will get extra 5 play points. If you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button right now. See you guys in the next video. Take care.